दोस्तों स्वागत है आपका मेरे YouTube चैनल इंग्लिश बाबू पर। और आज मैं फिर हाजिर हूँ आपके साथ एक नई स्टोरी लेकर। और दोस्तों आज जो हम इस वीडियो में करने वाले हैं, दोस्तों आज ये जो वीडियो है ये ट्रांसलेशन के बारे में नहीं है, क्योंकि आमतौर पर मैं जो वीडियोस लाता हूँ वो इंग्लिश स्टोरी की हिंदी में ट्रांसलेशन होती है। लेकिन आज का जो वीडियो है बेसिकली ये इंग्लिश रीडिंग के ऊपर है, क्योंकि कई बार आप लोग कमेंट करते हैं कि सर हमें इंग्लिश भी पढ़नी नहीं आती है। तो दोस्तों मैंने सोचा कि मुझे इस तरह का भी वीडियो बनाना चाहिए जहाँ पर हम कोई रीडिंग किसी भी पैसेज को रीड करें, ताकि आप लोग सीख सकें कि जब हम किसी पैसेज को पढ़ते हैं तो हमें इंग्लिश की रीडिंग किस तरह से करनी चाहिए। उसके अलावा दोस्तों आज के इस वीडियो के माध्यम से आपको कई ऐसे वर्ड्स होंगे जिनकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी आप सीखेंगे। तो दोस्तों मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है आप इस वीडियो को बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनें। और जैसा मैंने आपको बताया ये जो वीडियो है ये ट्रांसलेशन के ऊपर नहीं है, ये जो वीडियो है पूरी तरह से इंग्लिश रीडिंग के ऊपर है। तो मैं इस पैसेज को अच्छे से रीड करने की कोशिश करूँगा और दोस्तों आप इसे बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनें, और यदि पॉसिबल हो तो आप भी मेरे साथ इसको रीड करें। और इस तरह की जो प्रैक्टिस है इससे आप अपने इंग्लिश रीडिंग के जो स्किल्स हैं आप उसको अच्छी तरह से इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। उसके अलावा जो आपकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन है आप उसे भी अच्छा कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए इस वीडियो को हम शुरू करते हैं। We must simply tell them that we intend to give him to the police, as indeed we must, Sadao. We must think of the children and your position. It would endanger all of us if we did not give this man over as a prisoner of war. Certainly, Sadao agreed. I would not think of doing anything else. और दोस्तों मैं आपको देना चाहता हूँ ये जो मैं पैसेज रीड कर रहा हूँ ये 12th क्लास की NCERT की विस्तार से लिया गया है। चलिए आगे देखिए। Thus agreed together they lifted the man. He was very light, like a fowl that had been half starved for a long time, until it is only feathers and skeleton. So this arms hanging, they carried him up the steps and into the side door of the house. This door opened into a passage, and down the passage they carried the man towards an empty bedroom. It had been the bedroom of Sadao's father, and since his death it had not been used. They laid the man on the deeply matted floor. Everything here had been Japanese to please the old man, who would never in his own home sit on a chair or sleep in a foreign bed. Hana went to the wall cupboards and slid back a door and took out a soft quilt. Cupboards and slid back a door and took out a soft quilt. She hesitated. The quilt was covered with flowered silk and the lining was pure white silk. "He is so dirty," she murmured in distress. "Yes, he had better be washed," Sadao agreed. "If you will fetch hot water, I will wash him." "I cannot bear for you to touch him," she said. "We shall have to tell the servants he is here." "I will tell Yumi now. She can leave the children for a few minutes and she can wash him." Sadao considered a moment. "Let it be so," he agreed. "You tell Yumi and I will tell the others." But the utter pallor of the man's unconscious face moved him. First to stoop and feel his pulse. It was faint, but it was there. He put his hand against the man's cold breast. The heart, too, was yet alive. "He will die unless he is operated on," Sadao said. "Considering the question is whether he will not die anyway." Hannah cried out in fear. "Don't try to save him. What if he should live? What if he should die?" Sadao replied. He stood gazing. "Help an enemy." Nevertheless, she told Yumi to fetch the hot water and bring it to the room where the white man was. She went ahead and slid back the partitions. Sadao was not yet there. Yumi, following, put down her wooden bucket. Then she went over to the white man. When she saw him, her thick lips folded themselves into stubbornness. "I have never washed a white man," she said, "and I will not wash so dirty a one now." Hannah cried at her severely. "You will do what your master commands you." There was so fierce a look of resistance upon Yumi's round, dull face that Hannah felt unreasonably afraid. After all, if the servants should report something that was not as it happened. "Very well," she said with dignity. "You understand, we only want to bring him to his senses so that we can turn him over as a prisoner." "I will have nothing to do with it," Yumi said. "I am a poor person and it is not my business." "Then please," Hannah said gently, "return to your own work." At once Yumi left the room. But this left Hannah with the white man alone. She might have been too afraid to stay, had not her anger at Yumi's stubbornness now substand her. Stupid Yumi, she muttered fiercely, is this anything but a man, and a wounded, helpless man? In the conviction of her own superiority, she bent impulsively and untied the knotted rugs that kept the white man covered. When she had his breast bare, she dipped the small clean towel that Yumi had brought into the steaming hot water and washed his face carefully. The man's skin, though rough with exposure, was of a fine texture and must have been very blonde when he was a child. चलिए दोस्तों, इसे यहीं तक रखते हैं। और आज का जो वीडियो बनाने का उद्देश्य था, जैसा मैंने आपको शुरू में ही बताया, वो ट्रांसलेशन नहीं था। आज के जो वीडियो बनाने का मेन जो उद्देश्य था वो यही था कि आप में से कई लोग कमेंट करके कई बार कहते हैं कि सर आप बताइए कि इंग्लिश को रीड कैसे करें, क्योंकि आप में से कई लोग ऐसे भी हैं जिन्हें इंग्लिश रीड करनी शायद नहीं आती होगी। तो मैं समझता हूँ कि इस तरह के वीडियोज़ जो हैं वो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होंगे। और जो भी आपका फीडबैक हो आप कमेंट में बताएं कि इस तरह के वीडियोज़ आप आगे भी देखना चाहेंगे या नहीं, तो आप कमेंट में ज़रूर बताएं। सुनने के लिए थैंक यू सो much. Have a nice day and bye.